Hi everyone, welcome to this English lesson. Today we are going to learn how to talk about the weather. This is essential skill for your daily conversations, whether you are meeting someone new or just chatting with friends, right? Are you ready? Let's start. In English, we talk about the weather using the structure it is or the contraction it's. Native speakers use it's 90% of the time because it sounds natural, fast, and fluid. However, we use it is when we want to be very clear or add emphasis, right? Look at the examples for each one. It is, the example is look at the window, it is sunny today. And the contraction it's, I love this day, it's snowy. See the difference, right? Remember, we use these words to describe how the day feels. For example, if you look at the window, I see the sun. You can say, look at the window, it is sunny today, right? Let's make longer, more natural sentences using the connectors and or but. We have it's sunny and hot. It's cloudy but not cold. It's windy and cold. And another one, it's humid and hot today. Do you understand? Let's continue. Now, let's go practice the vocabulary before the exercise. We have sunny. Look at the picture. Cloudy, rainy, windy, cold, stormy, foggy, snowy, humid, and hot. Okay guys, let's practice together. Look at the screen and answer my question. What is the weather like for in this photo? Think about it. It's rainy. Very good. And the last one, what do you think? Yes, it's windy. And this one, it's sunny and hot. Thanks for watching guys. Excellent job. This is for today. You have learned to describe the weather using many new words. Now is your turn. Please tell me in the comments how is the weather in your city today. I really want to read your answers. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons. See you in the next video. Bye bye.